Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of As a Villainous Heroine. It's normal for me to develop a honorary heroine. Chapter 32. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Xiaoyang and Starju. After the banquet, go straight to the dormitory. Xiaoyang, she was not in herself. That's why right now, she's being vocal to Starju. Right now, Starju, she is restraining herself. But for Xiaoyang, she continued to press on. Right now, look at her. She looks really different from original Xiaoyang. Starju said to herself, I really like Xiaoyang. I really like the way she focused all her attention on me now. Right now, Starju really likes attention of Xiaoyang, especially right now. But for her, it seems that Xiaoyang, she still have some energy. She used a lot of energy today. Right now, she can do things on Starju, even though she was really tired. Well, right now, Xiaoyang look at her, and it seems like she feels something strange. Well, for Starju, she is not moving a single bit, only watching Xiaoyang and what Xiaoyang wants to do to hers. Well, Starju said to her, Xiaoyang, don't hurt me. Well, for Starju, she was blushing. She was looking on Xiaoyang. Both of their hearts are thumping. Seems that the two of them are getting shy to each other. Especially, they're really close to each other right now. Xiaoyang, she removed a parts of dress. Starju. Still, the two of them are getting nervous. What will happen next? Well, Xiaoyang, she was really energetic. She was leading Starju on this day. Looking at Starju, she looks really vulnerable. She's not restraining herself. Also, she was watching Xiaoyang and what Xiaoyang is doing to hers. But suddenly, Starju, right now, she can really restrain herself. She wants to reach Xiaoyang. Xiaoyang, she looks surprised. Now, her face is turning red. Starju suddenly kissed her and hugged her. Well, this girl, she really can't wait. What will Xiaoyang's gonna do? Instead, she's rushing through toward Xiaoyang and said to herself that finally, well, for Starju, she was still shy, but because she can't wait, she really kissed her and hugged her. The two of them are hugging each other. It was really tight. Xiaoyang, the two of them seems like they are dreaming and it's not happening. But right now, she thinks. Starju said, wait a minute. She's feeling right now. Well, she cannot tell what she feels right now. But Starju, seems that it was another power exchange. Now, Xiaoyang, she became younger. Well, she was really exhausted. She used a lot of magical power today. That's why right now, she was changing herself. Also, she released Starju. Well, it seems like we're now in different world. But only to know that Xiaoyang, she really drained up herself. Now she fell asleep. She fell down on Starju. Look at her. She really drained. She has no energy left. That's why she fell asleep straight. Starju's. Starju said, well, just fall asleep. Looking at Starju right now, it was like she was a kid. She was really excited, but suddenly got disappointed. Well, right now, she was really acting like a child. She was blaming Xiaoyang. She really got fall asleep. Starju said, what a ghost. Well, she really can't believe Starju tricked her by this. It's getting late at night. Right now, Starju, still she can't believe Xiaoyang is fall asleep. Xiaoyang is a big silly girl. She can stop mumbling until it was next day. Early morning next day, the two of them still sleeping. Back on the dormitory, Xiaoyang, Starju, what they're gonna do? Xiaoyang right now is the one to wake up. Suddenly Starju opened her eyes gently. Looking at her eyes still teary. Maybe she really cried all night. That's why right now it was still teary. Xiaoyang, right now, she was looking at her straight into the eyes. She was thinking on what's happening, especially last night. Well, for Starju, it seems that she was not dreaming. Had a lot of bruises on her body. Xiaoyang, seeing this, it's make her really sad. Starju said to Xiaoyang, Xiaoyang is a big silly. Still, she can't restrain herself. Now she was crying. Want to express her feelings toward Xiaoyang. Right now, Xiaoyang, last night, seeing Starju in a state like this, of course, it's a little bit remorse for her, but she really hurt her. Remembering what happened last day, from the banquet and towards on, it seems that she will have a headache. Just to remember everything's happened. Xiaoyang, she looks really confused. There's a lot of things she already done to Starju. Remembering this really hurts her right now. But she was not in herself, and she really can't control her body. But the kiss last night, the marks, the bruises, was real. Now she only realized she really hurt Starju. Xiaoyang, how can I do the damage to Xinglu? She must be in pain. Looking at her, she looks really sad. Right now, she activated the healing magic powers of hers. Now she's going to heal Starju. Pressing the shoulders, magic power transferring to Starju. Xiaoyang, she looks really sad. While healing Starju, she feels really confused. Right now, Starju said to her, it was a treatment. Well, it seems that Xiaoyang really wants to heal her. Right now, she really feels sad. But for Starju, Xiaoying's going to default. Well, she looks really embarrassed. But if Xiaoying is gonna rejected her, especially on what happens, well, we can wait to see that. So they can be together. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!